Hello everyone, welcome back again to this channel. To this video we're going to be looking at how to add dependencies in Wrike. Now to add dependencies in Wrike, there are a few steps you must take. The first step is to access the Gantt chart view. Now to do this, you have to navigate to the project or folder in Wrike. Then you switch to the Gantt chart view. Once you do this, next you have to do is to create a dependency using the drag and drop. Now how do you do this? Hover over the end of the predecessor task. A small circle will appear. Then drag the circle to the beginning of the successor task and then release the mouse button. A dependency line will appear connecting the two tasks. Once you've created a dependency using the drag and drop method, next thing you need to do is to define the dependency type. Now this is optional. If you want to do this, just right click on the dependency line you've created and then choose the desired dependency type. It can be finish to start, start to start, or finish to finish. If it is finish to start, it means the successor task cannot begin until the predecessor task is completed. If you're using start to start, it means the successor task can begin at the same time as the predecessor task. Then if you're choosing finish to finish, it means the successor task cannot be completed until the predecessor task is completed. The fourth one is start to finish, which means the successor task can begin only after the predecessor task has started. So after choosing or defining the dependency type, the next thing you need to do is to add lead or lag time. This is also optional. Now, how do you add lead or lag time? Very simple. Right click on the dependency line, select edit dependency, and then choose add lead or lag time. This will allow you to specify a delay between the completion of the predecessor task and the start of the successor task. It's as simple as that. Now there's some things you need to notice. Number one, visual cues. Always notice the visual cues. What do I mean? The Gantt chart visually represents dependency with lines connecting tasks. Next, task scheduling. Dependencies significantly impact task scheduling. Changes to one task can automatically adjust the schedules of dependent tasks. Next, we have project planning. Careful consideration of task dependency is crucial for effective project planning and execution. By effectively utilizing these methods, you can establish clear dependencies between tasks in Wrike, ensuring that your project progresses smoothly and efficiently. It's as simple as that. That's all for today. Don't forget to check out our other videos about Wrike. See you in the next video. Bye.